Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we will be studying the most important vocabulary for personal care in Slovak language. Let's start! Začíname! Some of the essential words related to personal care, osobná starostlivosť, are bathroom, kúpeľňa, shower, sprcha, bathtub, vaňa, toilet, záchod, toothbrush, zubná kyvka, toothpaste, zubná pasta, soap, mydlo, shower gel, sprchový gel, shampoo, šampón, conditioner, kondicionér, towel, uterák, hairbrush, kefa na vlasy, razor, holiaci strojček, nail clipper, klieštiky na nechty, lotion, krém alebo telové mlieko, toilet paper, toaletný papier, tissues, vreckovky, mirror, zrkadlo, deodorant, dezodorant, dental floss, zubná niť, comb, hrebeň, perfume, parfum alebo voňavka, tweezers, pinzeta, scissors, nožnice. Now, let's look at some important verbs you'll need to describe your personal care routine. To take a shower, sprchovať sa, to bathe, kúpať sa, to wash oneself, umývať sa, to brush one's teeth, umývať si zuby, to brush one's hair, česať si vlasy, to wash one's hair, umývať si vlasy, to shave, holiť sa, to put on perfume, dať si parfum, to get dressed, obliekať sa, to get undressed, vyzliekať sa, to go to bed, ísť spať. Now, let's see these words and verbs in action. Here are some useful sentences you can use every day. Každé ráno si umývam zuby. Every morning, I brush my teeth. Večer sa sprchujem. In the evening, I take a shower. Používam šampón na vlasy. I use shampoo for my hair. Dnes sa holím. Today I'm shaving. Po sprche si dávam telové mlieko. After a shower, I put on lotion. Now it's your time to practice. Can you say the following words in Slovak? Toothpaste, zubná pasta, mirror, zrkadlo, to take a shower, sprchovať sa. Great practice! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!